Hey boys and girls, we're now going to use the thousands cube to show the different forms of the number. So I have my number 1138. We always write the thousands place here, then we do a comma, then our hundreds, tens, and ones. And I'm going to go ahead and make a place value chart on my paper to help me remember that. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands go next. Place value, place value, place value is the best. I see I have 1,000, 100, 3 tens, and 8 ones. In word form, I'm going to say the number, or I'm going to write the number exactly as I say it. I say 1,000, 100, 38. Then my base 10 form, and I have a thousands cube, a hundreds flat, 3 rods, and 8 units to show 1,038. And I'm going to show you guys how to draw this. So for your thousands cube, you're going to draw it just like you do a flat, which is a square, but you're going to put the letters T, H inside of it. Then you're going to draw your hundreds flat. Just like we always do, just the square. 3 rods, so 3 lines, and then 8 units, like in a 10 frame. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to do expanded form. So we have a 1 in the thousands place. So this 1's value is 1,000. Plus the 1 in the hundreds place value is 100. Plus the value of the 3 in the tens place is 30. Plus the value in the 8 in the ones place is 8. I can rename this by saying that 1,000 is also 500 plus 500 plus 100 plus 30 plus 8. I could also say 700 plus 400 plus 30 plus 8. So there's all different ways that we could rename that number. All right, boys and girls, I'll see you.